It takes courage to stand up and deliver. It takes courage to sit down and listen. It is all about the choices what we make. If we stand up and deliver, world will look up to us. If we sit down and just relax, world will just not listen to us. It's all about that courage. It's all about that charisma which one has to bring in his or her life to make a massive change. It is my mission to groom 10,000 people. It is my mission to do it in 1 year. This is what life is all about. If I have defined a purpose in my life, it is just because I think that brings a lot of fulfillment to my as well as others' life. Living that dream, living that passion is the backbone of my life now. I decided to create a business for one of the top brands because that was my dream. That was my vision. That if I do something for a brand, it can immensely touch a lot of lives. And that journey continued one after another. We got into a phase where we started touching the life of youngsters, the youth of the country, the millennials who were ready to groom themselves, not only internally but externally also. Grooming is not only just grooming yourself externally, wearing good shoes, wearing good clothes, and moving out, hanging out with your friends. Grooming is also about absolutely inner peace, calm, and composed mind, which can give you all those things which you are always wishing to have. Grooming is something which can blow your mind away and bring you completely different zone of satisfaction. It comes from the inner peace. It comes from those techniques of calmness and composedness and confidence which really help you grow as a personality. When you grow as a brand, when you grow as a personality, when you work on your inner self, things will look very different. They will be apart. You will be made to walk and talk like an authority. Now, who is this authority? This authority is someone whom people believe in, whom people want to talk to, whom people think that if I wish I could have been like him. You become an influencer. You become somebody who people say that is believing in changing lives. That's what the mission and vision of my life is. I want to bring lot of satisfaction to my life by bringing a massive change in other people's lives. If you think you want to do that, you are also wanting to have a mission in your life. Guys, set the goals which are not easy but very tough. Set them so difficult that it looks like what you're doing right now is just 1x and you need to do 10x to achieve those goals. Set those goals absolutely clear. Read them up loud in the morning and before you go to sleep, before you go to bed. It takes courage to stand up and deliver. It takes courage to sit down and listen. So these both important facts we have to keep in mind whenever we are faced by a very tough situation. Let's say you stand on a almost 100 feet height and somebody says you to jump. You will never jump till the time you have been told that there is somebody whose life, somebody close to you, somebody like your close friend is just about to lose his or her life. If you've been told that you have to save the life of that person, then you will jump. Think about it. Similarly, if you have that goal in your life wherein you want to achieve something massive and you decide that from today onwards, I am gonna do that and achieve that purpose of my life. That's what makes a difference.